See, stop recording. Let's do that again. We all are gonna play, okay? We're all gonna do it, okay? Let me get the script. Where's the script? Okay. Now we're gonna be doing it together, okay?
I already know.
Get back to the first wall. Actually, can you like leave both?
No.
I know, but we have to read so we can make it fair.
So you're gonna record your own video?
I can't so long.
Please.
Fine.
Is it your
Like
video?
the
Yeah, I'm sleep over at her house.
Oh, that's awesome. Good for you.
You reboot like crazy. But you still got 194 billion.
I don't know what to say.
Ooh, why don't you hit that record button?
Wait, no, every single time. Look.
Let me know if you want to make it full screen.
Wait, so I
Actually, yeah, if you want to make it full screen, just open up Minecraft.
Okay, let's do that again, okay?
Just press
And now
F4.
no rebirth again.
Make it full screen. You have to wait for this to finish loading.
to be really bad towards that.
Okay.
I think I broke the game.
Should I be? Which side should I be? Gonna be the one? I think it is. I'm just saying.
I was at 10 and now I'm literally at 30. I was right there. I was.
Okay.
Oh, and I'm playing with my friend too. He's in my server.
So it's not like that. Oh, this is weird. Can you like? How do we make the light? Nice. There we go. Okay. Put on. I got it. Okay. Should I put on a hat? I'll put on a hat. You could do it like the whoa. I'll put on a hat second. Whoa! Look at me. I'm putting on a hat second. Are my ears sticking out like elf ears? Are my ears sticking out like elf ears? Whoopsie.
And
How do we like twist it?
I already had the fast ostrich.
Okay. Good enough.
I got a tiger.
What in the world?
I wish we could
I
make
got a
those
2% chance tiger.
I think you can. Never mind. I would have
See,
not.
tiger.
Okay. You don't even have a luck boost on?
Yeah, I don't even have it.
There we go.
Remember that time when you get 2 legendaries in a row?
Yeah. I didn't even have it left.
Good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna just press.
Bro, I have a luck boost and I can't still even get a legendary.
I got an uncommon. I keep getting uncommon. It's kind of weird.
Hey guys and girls.
I'm just
Today I
gonna put on my
will-
money.
Do not. Okay.
I got another
Hey
uncommon.
guys and
I'm gonna let you
girls.
laugh
Today I will be
here.
teaching
I don't want to
you
get
how to play
monkey.
Minecraft
Fighting
on
them.
the computer.
Oh, I got a rhino.
I'm sorry.
It's a way of.
Should I pop in? Sure. I'm gonna like. Okay, I can like do a car. You know, do a cartwheel. I'm just kidding. So how are we gonna pop in? I'm gonna go like this. I'm just gonna sit down. That's it.
You have 1% chance.
So I'll go with my friend Caitlin, and then she'll
Oh, and you have
pop in. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. I'm nervous.
Whoa!
Really?
No way. You just get luck boost. Go, go,
I'm
go.
spelling it.
750 choices. And then.
No. Okay, hold on. Let me just do it one more time. Can I? Hey, guys and girls. I'm pressing play.
Just so you know, I'm getting 99k every time I click.
Hey, guys and
100k.
girls, today I'll be teaching my friend Kaylin how to play Minecraft on the computer. So let's get to it.
I got the
okay.
common
So
penguin.
we're just gonna make another world. We're gonna do. What do you want your world to be called? Oh my God, what is this? Something fell off the computer. Who cares?
We're going to whale elephant.
The best. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna put you in survival. And do you want monsters?
I got common
Monsters.
penguin.
Yeah.
I can go.
So, wait, do you want easy or easy? Not hard. Why would you say I want hard? I don't know. Maybe you're like a master. Wait, do you want a bonus chest? What is that? It's like it gives you a chest with torches around it, like right where you spawned, and it gives you like a little.
Yes.
Press play.
How do you control it?
Is it like Roblox? Yeah, basically. Oh, okay, let's see then. Hope we don't die. Yeah. I like this.
No, no, no.
Anyway, so we're gonna put this part out. Yeah. Get a long time. Let's just chill. Kaylin, that wasn't me. Well,
5 seconds.
12,
6, 7.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. I thought so too. Yeah. I'm sorry you guys have to make this so long. Anyways, while we're doing this, I'm just gonna mess around. Test it out though. Boom, boom. I like hugging this cat. Blah, 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 blah. Okay.
I just rebirthed
Let's just check,
again.
make sure the camera's aiming the right way. Pressing it now. You have to aim me. I'm just kidding. Okay. I don't know where this came from. It was just like right here. I think it was. Yeah. This came out. Does it go on here? No. Like that? Okay, we're in. We're in. Okay, so how you move? Oh, hi. Oh my jeez, Louise. Okay, okay.
No
Hi,
way.
guys. Okay.
No
we're
way.
done. We're gonna cut that out.
Bro, look at this.
We got
Missing.
Okay. So you go forward. Hold on, where's
That was the
bonus?
very last one.
Bonus.
It only has a 4% chance.
What? What did I do? Whatever. Anyways, the bonus chest should be around here somewhere. So you break blocks by doing the left click, and you can build
I'm already at 10
blocks
blocks.
by doing the right click button. Sure. So, oh, I know, I lost. Okay. So see, you dug it, and then you complete it correctly. And the camera's probably facing the wrong way. And hold on, you sprint by pressing Control. Boom, boom, boom. You can jump. You can squat. Oh, there's the bonus. The bonus chest. I want to go forward. You gotta break through this stuff. Yeah. Just go around. Don't break it.
Wait, I have a question. How do I defeat the next
How do I
person?
shift? It'll be easier.
Yeah, how do I defeat
It'll sort it out for you, basically. I like the bonus chest. You get up to 6. Oh, there's pumpkin seeds.
I love to work out before.
Ooh, that apple. My tip is you always keep food and tools in your hotbar or whatever you call it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the building stuff. Okay, and then to get out. Wait, I'm not done yet. Well, I guess you can press the X, but I think I can also press it. How do I get to my inventory? You press E. Okay. Hey, I wasn't done. And then make sure you save the chest and the torches. And save the saplings as well. I need my tools. How did it not come with a sword? I can make a sword. Oh, I need to make a crafting table. What? There you go.
He's 20 million.
And now press shift on the
What? Teleport to PvP.
No. Like. Oh, I get it now. Okay, I need to put this back. And then you can put this back and put this back. There's something in my eye. Is this good? Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, and just, you might want to set axe. Oh. How do I, oh, you can scroll. And then, yeah, make sure, is it torches? They come in handy. What's that? I need a bone, I need a skeleton. Do I have anything? Does fish work? It's on a cat. Yeah. Doesn't work. You guys don't have any meat. Go kill a sheep and then come back. I need to trap him though. Actually, no, he'll attack the sheep. Wait, no, I need to trap him though. I need to trap him. One sec. Get some dirt, dig a hole right under his feet. Wait. Oh yeah, I need to take a look. Oh no! I can't move. What happens if I move? I don't know. What happened?
I have
It
never
didn't work.
spawned before.
I think I died.
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
Respawn. Where am I now?
Okay, go collect this. Oh, he's
I'm very mad at you.
Why?
Oh, it's my agent.
Why are we playing this? Why do we have
Wait, why am I not moving?
I don't know. I'm still gonna trap you though.
What do agents do?
agents?
Yeah, I've never played Minecraft.
They like can code and they can build.
Oh.
Yeah, I played it at school. Okay, I'm gonna trap him. It's okay.
Oh, but you're gonna throw your cactus. Wait, how on earth did you get a cactus?
It was in the thing.
No, but are we near a desert or something?
I don't know.
Also, you can jump.
Whoa, I got a
I know,
jellyfish.
that's why I need to make it 2 blocks high. But I need dirt.
You have an axe.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. How about I dig him a hole? I just
There's probably gonna be more.
extremely
Where?
careful. Yes! I did it.
Did not expect that to work.
I'll come back for you. I need to get all of them.
Would there be more?
I need to get all of them. No, come back. There's a sheep. Oh, they're killing the sheep.
There's a baby. Oh no, that's not a baby. Take the meat. They'll like the meat. They'll like the meat. Leave it in.
Hey,
I think you can make
dig you a
them.
hole.
I mean, not make them. You can breed them, not make them.
And I'm gonna put. Bruh. Not walk.
Just walk, and you might walk into the hole. Look at that. Wait, hold on. We might be in. Hold on. Give me a second.
What?
Right. Wait, do you really want? Do you really want to go?
Yeah.
This might not work. It's been a long time since I've-
8 craft?
Boom, 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 boom. Dang it! I don't even know what the name of the person we're playing right now. I tried.
Well,
If not, I can try again. I just need to figure out the name of it. Because I didn't use capitalization, so
where's my other wolf?
you passed them earlier. And you just trapped yourself.
Dang it. Nobody's gonna get out.
Just do it.
Okay, so what I need
But
to
don't
do.
hold this.
What? Go here and then jump in place. Jump. Place. Okay, I did it.
Yeah.
Where are the other wolves? Where's his family? I want to kill
one.
his son. I'm just Wolves are my main priority right now, not living. Over there, if you see.
Oh no, he's gonna get sheep. Wait, no, you can use the wool for bed, so he's
Thank
actually
you.
kind of working.
Thank you very much.
I think now you have enough to make a bed.
And now I need to trap you because you're very low because you just took and you're not cooperating. There we go. And I can't get it. You want to make a bet now? You want to check out your crafting table? Yes. No. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. Okay. There. And then that's okay. So normally I start heavy and make a bed and use wood, but I turn these into planks. Okay. You can press shift. Actually, okay, now you lay them like right here. Right here. Lay them across.
Yes,
And then
sir.
you pour. And if you collect different flowers, you can turn them into dye and you can change the color of the bed. There we go. Okay. If you want to start making some, mining some, what do you call it, stone? Oh, there's some stone. Oh, we got gold. Go get your pickaxe. What is this? This is weird. I don't know. So, press shift. Oh. Actually, I don't know what to bring in mine. And once you get enough stone, change to stone.
I'm at 40 trillion.
Wait, did you know gold is so bad?
not
It's
low.
literally as good as
That's okay.
You don't want to use gold.
These are people even higher than
Actually,
you.
43
they're literally as good as
trillion?
wooden tools,
Yep.
So
I can go.
you don't want gold as tools.
Wait,
I beat the boss.
Why is it so dark?
I'm going to the fourth
I think it's
world.
because it's getting night. Yeah, because the computer, the way it's angled, is really dark. You want to like make yourself a little hut and then with torches and put your bed in. Please get them quick. You just use that as your hold.
Oh, what the
And
stinking
then put blocks above your head. If you can.
I am the polar
I'm
bear.
gonna put dirt. Yeah, that's fine. Whatchamacallit it. Please hurry up. Use your pickaxe. There you go. I'm gonna die. Yes, you are. But I'm helping you, so you won't die. Right, guys? I don't even know if this camera's pointing out. I did it. No,
I'm going into fourth
Whatever,
world.
we're gonna check it out. Sure it is. See, look at that. You can go,
Who's the pig?
this. Okay.
Oh, hi, Blocks Ninjas 3.
Okay.
Bye, Blocks Ninjas 3.
Okay. So now you guys have a roof over your head. Now put down your bed if you have space. Actually, yeah, I'll make space. Remember, you have to Am I bugging you? Yes, you're making me angry. I'm gonna make a house. Normally, I put down when I don't have a bed, I go mining. Okay, you have to space for it. No, I need to make it look good. You don't. Yes, I do.
Whoa.
Wait, can't you make green dye out of cactuses?
I get 14 trillion per clip.
Maybe. I would use it for monster traps. Bro. Why did I look? Oh, did you just I broke it. I broke it. I broke
Place
it.
another torch.
And the torch is right here. Oh.
I'm at 1QA.
There we go. See, where am I? Oh, wherever you put yourself. In Minecraft.
I can beat the giraffe.
You're at this blank
No.
place. At this. How do you? Please. Yes. Yay. Don't stop. And that was day 1. We survived it. I need to go check on my... didn't. You got attacked by a wolf. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Why don't you dig the dirt out? You have a pickaxe. I'm just like putting the pickaxe in your hand. Where's my crafting table? It's outside.
You can make another one. I don't think she's like reading this script and also like I don't think he's like in the show.
It's fine. It's in the video. You can get your own thing.
Okay.
You're making me anxious, Kaylin.
Oh my god, I'm on 6 million.
No, don't use a pickaxe.
So I get one spin. I do it again.
Or a hoe if you're trying
What
to.
can we join this?
Well, don't put it in your bed. It's a valuable resource, girl. And don't forget in the hole. Get your torch as well, because you're gonna make a better house.
Dogs into one.
Me.
Oh, one next to you.
And then
I'm a giraffe now.
You can probably go. Wait, imagine if you went against Cheeky
so much
Fox.
anxiety.
I can already beat him like a monkey.
Because that's what
What
my
a
rule
Weebo. Wait, what button you hit to Weebo?
My sword crafting table.
The rebirth button.
Look at the
There's
chicken
the
in the
rebirth button.
The rebirth button right here. Right here?
Oh.
Why don't you kill the chicken in the pen? Actually, you should also look for some flowers. Come here, buddy. 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 Booty, booty, buddy. Booty. 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 Oh. Why are there no flowers here? That's just sad. Oh, look, you got some seeds. Somewhere. Yeah, I know, I saw them. Where did they go? Oh, they're in the inventory. Hey, you don't have to press X. That's too much work. Press E. Too much work. Yeah. You gotta save your energy for Minecraft. What? And Roblox. Did they spawn? The Code Ninja is right there. No, those are the tracks we failed at.
I know, I'm just doing something.
It's over there. Ahoy, matey! A sheep. A gray sheep. We're both like a sheep. Oh, jeez. You also probably should use your axe for killing the sheep. I'm just saying. I have a cut. Okay, once day 2 ends. Not a sapling, an axe. Okay. Ooh, is that a rabbit? How do you think he's going after the rabbit? He is. Well, that's quick. Thank you. Oh, you took it. Or was that chicken? Bruh. No, it's a rabbit. And you took it. It's raining. It's raining. Go back to your hut. Build a hut. I don't care. Just build a hut. Oh, no. Okay, just build a hut. I'm getting better at trapping dogs. Just build a hut or something like that. I'm building a hut with the monsters can attack you because it's not really sunny. Bruh. Yeah, Bria. A dirt hut. Just dig. Dig. It needs to be good. No, it doesn't. Where am I going? You're giving me so much anxiety right now. Oh my gosh, I just went out of spice. You're hurting me.
I just beat the boss. I just beat the boss in my second run. I'm going to
Only the
level
spiders
5.
can get to you since you don't have a roof. No. Actually, creepers could technically still go up. Okay. There we go, and I put down a torch. Ooh. Yes. Oh, wrong one. Oh no. There we go. Yeah, you put it in the wrong spot. If it's a thunderstorm, you can see. Oh. Oh, this is very nice.
Look at
You
me
might
and
as
my
well start
gorilla.
mining. So place down your crafting.